Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill, and today we did some concrete work up here at the Barndo site, aka Barndominium. Right now I've got Kevin Rogers out here with Agape Farms. He's doing some finishing up work out here. They just got done pouring the concrete for the piers. A little sneak peek of the Bowen's Barndo. All right, let's check it out. Here it is. And over there's Kevin on the skid loader. So right here is going to be the 8x8 posts. It's going to be holding the 2-story portion of the house. So right here is walking on under the front porch. And both ends are going to be lean-tos. And there'll be 6x6 posts on the ends. And the garage end will be on the other side of the house. I believe they call this a monitor style. But here it is. I'm excited. Can't wait. If you want to follow along on this Barndo build, this will be on my other channel, Caught on Camera by Bill. I'll leave a link to it above. Go ahead and click on that and subscribe to that channel so you can stay tuned with the upcoming updates. As soon as this portion of the build gets done, I will post this video of constructing this part, which is just going to be a roof structure for now. If you want to follow along, join in on the other channel. Again, Caught on Camera by Bill. And subscribe. And hey, if you like this, go ahead and hit the like button. Anyway, I'll let you all have the rest of your day. So, thanks for watching. See you, bye.